In this video, we will review our understanding of the decimals. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system, this is the number system, which is the dominant number system in the world today. This is what we use. And the Hindus are credited to have invented the Hindu-Arabic numeral system sometime between the 1st and 4th centuries Common Era. And then around 19th century, the Arabs discovered this from the Hindus. They developed it and transmitted it to Europe. In fact, the actual numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, they are of Arabic origin. So what are the characteristics of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system? It is a positional system. The true value of a digit or of a numeral depends on its place in the number. So in this example, we have two 8s, but those 8s have different values. Although they appear the same in appearance, they are in fact carry different values. It's the same with 4 and 2. The value of a number in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system depends on its place in the number. That's why you call it positional. Now it is decimal system because it's based on 10, or we say it that it is of base 10. Okay, so where is 10 here? Okay, in this number 8248.24, where is 10 here? So the 8 there, okay, 8, that stands for 8,000. Okay, and the reason why it's 8,000 is because it came from here. 8 times 10 cube. 10 cube is 1,000. So 8 times 10 cube is 8,000. Plus 2 times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. So 2 times 100 is 200. Plus 4 times 10. That's 40. Plus 10 to the 0 is 1. So this is just 8 times 1, which is 8. Plus this one is 2 over 10. Okay? And 2 over 10 is 0.2. This one is 4 over 100. And 4 over 100 is 0.04. So if you were to add them all, that will be equal to this, 8,248.24. A number in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system contains a whole number, a decimal point, and decimal numbers. So how do you read a number such as this? So you read this as 2,348,248.2415. So 8, you call it the ones. The digits before the decimal point, you call it the ones. And this one are the tens. So 4 there stands for 40. 4 times 10, 40. The 2 there stands for hundreds. So that's why it's 200. 2 times 100. And this one is the thousands, 10,000s. 100,000s, and this one will be the millions. So what you have there is something like 2 million. It's 2 times 1 million. And after the point, we have the tenths, the hundreds, the thousands, and the 10,000s. When I was young, I was kind of wondering, why do you call this ones? Ones, tens, hundreds, but after the decimal point, you go to tenths right away. Well, shouldn't there be something like ones instead of tenths? Okay, so I would like to remind you that 0.2 there stands for 2 over 10. That's 2 tenths. Okay, 0.1 is 1 over 10. That's 1 tenth. That's why the first digit after the decimal point would be the tenths. And how about the hundreds? Look at this. So we read this as 0.2 0.24 or 0.24, or we can also read this as 24 hundredths. Okay, 24 hundredths. And 24 hundredths, going back to our understanding of the fraction, that is equal to 24 divided by 100. So let us say it out. Let us speak out and see the actual spelling of the numbers when we write it out in words. So this one is 98,706,072 point. Okay, so this is how you read the numbers after the point, after the decimal point. 0.1245. Now, how do you write it out in words? Now, pay attention to that. It's 98 million. Okay, so pay attention to the hyphen. 90 hyphen 8. 98,706,000. Again, 72 hyphen 70 hyphen 2.1245. How about this? This is 86,153.400. 86,000, 80 hyphen 6, 153 again, look at the hyphen, and 0.400. Now you might be thinking, isn't 0.400 the same as 0.4? Yeah, they are equal. But there is a reason why people would write the 2 zeros there. That's because it's significant. So you must read it out. You don't just read it as 0.4. If you see a 0 there, especially after the last non-zero digit after the decimal point, you must read it. So you will read it as 86,153.400.